Good morning. So we're talking about section 9.1. So it's all about life insurance. So our essential question is, what are the advantages of life insurance for your loved ones? So our first type that we're going to talk about, so there's four types of life insurance we're going to talk about today. So is term life insurance. So if you think of it's a term, like they have a term for being senator, so it covers a certain period of time. Like the term for president is 4 years, so a certain amount of time. Okay. And then second type that we have is group life insurance. Group term life insurance. So group term life insurance. Okay. So this one is covered by your job. So it's one of the benefits you can have when you start working for a company. So you can get life insurance through them. Disadvantage for that one is that if you lose your job, you lose that coverage. Or if you change jobs, you would lose that coverage. Okay. For all life insurance, you do have to list your beneficiaries. And so that's your loved ones who you want to get that money in case you die. So this is, again, like I said, this is to help your family so that they have support if you die. So definitely people who have families, like children, it's a good idea for them to have life insurance. It also helps pay for funeral costs and everything that goes with that. So for whole life, it combines life insurance and an investment. So it's also doing an investment for you. So the investment has a cash value. So an investment has a cash value. And then the fourth type we're going to talk about is called universal life. And universal life is similar to whole life. Okay. So it combines life insurance and an investment. And it does have a cash value. So universal life is similar to whole life. But the cash value for this one, for universal life, the cash value can be used to pay the premium. So like if you wanted to take the money that we're paying for the premium and you wanted to invest it in your business or use it for home improvements, you could use it to pay the premium. So use it to pay for your insurance. Okay, so all insurance, so all of these life insurance, it pays full benefits. So it'll pay the full amount, full benefits are paid to your beneficiaries, so your loved ones that you do have to list upon your death. So like people, like I said, with families or dependents, definitely it's a good idea to have life insurance. Okay, so let's talk about, let's say that you have a 10-year. So you buy a 10-year term life insurance policy. With a face value. So the face value is how much the life insurance policy is for, of $150,000. Sorry, $175,000, $750,000, $750,000. And for this, so the monthly premium is $76 a month. Okay, so $76 a month. And you want to know how much is the total cost? So how much do you pay in the 10 years to have that life insurance? Okay. So how we're going to figure that out? So it's going to be $76 times 12 months, because this is your monthly premium, times 10 years. So $76, 10 years. So you pay $9,120. Okay. So we also want to know, so let's say, so you buy that policy, the 10-year policy, and you die after 2 months after you get the policy. Oh, sorry, try not to sneeze. And happy Earth Day, everybody. It's Earth Day. Okay, we want to know how much does the insurance policy? So how much is that insurance company? How much does the insurance company pay to your beneficiaries, your loved ones? Okay. So because it's within the 10 years of the policy, they're going to pay the full amount, so the $750,000. So they want to pay, they're going to pay that full amount. Okay. Of course, the insurance company, they want to know, so they paid that money out, how much did they lose? So it's going to be the policy amount, so the $750,000, by how much you paid, so that's 2 months of $76,000, $76. So we subtract it, so they lost $749,848. Okay. So this is, so they lost that money. Okay. So this is for how much did the insurance company lose. Okay, so how much money are they going to lose? Okay, so let's say though that you die. Okay. So what if you die 11 years later? So you die 11 years later and you don't renew it. So with the insurance policy, to keep that insurance, you do have to pay that monthly premium and then renew it when that term is up. Okay, for term life insurance policies, you do have to keep paying it. If you stop paying that monthly premium, you don't have the insurance. Okay, so if you don't renew it, okay, we want to know how much. So how much money does the insurance company pay to your beneficiaries? Okay, so they're going to pay $0. How much is the insurance company? How much is their profit? How much do they make, everybody? Okay, so this is if it's 11 years. So how much do they profit? Well, then that's going to be the 70, your monthly premium, times 12 months, times 10 years. So they're going to get that $9,120. Okay, so that's how much their profit is. Okay, so our next part, we're working on our, so they do use statistics for this because they want to figure out, because of course this is a business, they want to make sure that they're going to make money. So we're still working on this section. And happy Earth Day again, everybody. Okay, so they use statistics. So they look at this table and they're going to figure this out. So mortality rate, or the death rate. So they use it. It's for different ages, and it's different for males and females. This one is for males, ages 41 to 50. Okay. So the ages for males, age 47 is, and with this, so 47, I want you to notice with this that we use all the numbers. So it's 0.004424. So everybody with this, be careful. Make sure you use all the numbers on this. Okay, so a company insures 7,000 people in this category. Okay, so we're going to figure out, so we're going to do 7,000 times our mortality rate. Again, I can't emphasize this enough for everybody. You use all the numbers. Okay, so we get 30.968. So we're going to round that up to, so about 31. Okay, so that means that 31 males who are 47 years old are expected to die before their next birthday. Okay. If we want to know what the percentage is, okay, so we take, so let's say that we're doing for 42, so we're going to use that percent, so 0.00266863, okay, we multiply that by 100, so we get 0.2863%, okay, or we're just taking and moving the decimal to the left, to the right, to the right. Okay, same thing if we wanted to find, and this is their life expectancy, so that's 35.46%, so how much they're expected to live, okay? Like on this, what percent, so this is to die, but what if we said to live? This is to die. If we wanted to know to live, so we would take this, right, and go, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to subtract that from 100 to get the percent. So remember I said everybody with this, make sure that you're using all the numbers on this. Okay, so 99.7137. Again, everybody use all the numbers. Okay, so that would be the percent that's expected to live. Okay, you got this. Okay, so using these tables, okay, so let's say everybody that we have a 5-year policy for $150,000. The annual premium, so we have a life insurance policy from Allstate, and the annual premium is $648, so that's annual. Okay, well, we're going to do a table for this. move that over, but that's okay. Okay, so this is the age at death. Okay. So this is the first year. So, and then we're also going to do mortality rate. So we have 0.0026, 0.0029, 0.0031, 0.0034, 0.0037. Okay. So to figure out that, everybody, to figure out this is when the policy is ended. Okay, so notice that this is the first year of the policy, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Okay, and then this is when the policy is ended. Okay, so this we're going to subtract. So 1 minus, and we are subtracting all of these. And so we're going to get from 1, so 0.9843. Because this is when the policy is ended. Okay, so to figure out our last part, we're going to figure out everybody is an insurance profit. So again, this is a business. They want to know how much money they're going to make. So it's going to be 51,000. Okay, so 51,000 minus the annual premium amount, so 648 times 1. So we're going to get a loss of 149,352. Okay, so that's a loss. The same thing with the next one. So 150,000 is the insurance policy. So you know, with insurance policy, they suggest that you have 5 times your what you make. So it's going to be negative 148,704, and that is a loss. 150,000 minus 648 times 3, so negative 148, $56. So that's going to be a loss again. Same thing. Now this is the fourth year. So it's going to be the annual premium amount times 4. It's negative 147, 480. And that's a loss. Okay. And then this is the fifth year, so we're multiplying by 5. So negative 146, 766, and that's a loss. Okay. Now, remember the policy is ended, so it's going to be 5 times the annual premium amount. So they're going to make a profit of 3,240, and that's their profit. Okay. So that's their profit. So of course they want to predict how much money they're going to make. So their expected profit. So we're going to have to use the rate. So it's the rate times the profit. And we do that for each year. So we do them for all. And the rate times profit. Okay. And so on. So like I said, so we keep multiplying. So we're multiplying for all of these. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do the rate. So 0.0026 times the loss amount plus 0.0029 times the loss amount plus 0.0034 times the loss amount told you we just keep going with this. 0.0034 times the loss amount times the loss amount times their profit. Whew. Okay, so this is for a single profit policy. So their profit amount is going to be $866.40. Okay, so that's their profit amount. Well, what if they sold 10,000 policies? So if they sold 10,000 of these policies, so $866.40 times 10,000 is going to be $8,664. Okay. Okay, so again with this, so just make sure that you're getting this. Okay. So I just want to make sure that you're understanding this. So, so let's say that you're 41, so it's 40, you're trying to figure out for 40-year-old, 40-year-old male. Okay. So everybody, we're going to use this. So 0.0026 times 100. So it's going to be 0.0, I can't write it on here, 0.26%. Okay. Probability to live. So it's going to be 1 minus that mortality rate, and it's the age before death. Okay, so it's going to be 100% minus 0.26%. So the percent that they'll live, probability of is 99 and 74%. Yay! We want that percentage to live. Okay, everybody, let's go over a couple of examples on the assignment. So this one, everybody, so this is just what we were working on. So it's going to be, so I'm looking at the table. So I'm just going to take that percentage. So it's the age before by age 51. So I go to 50. So I want you to notice with this, we go to 50. So I go to 50. So it's going to be 0.00653 times 100. We've got 0.53%. Okay. And probability that it will live. So again, we take that 100%, subtract that from 0.53%. So it's 99 and 47% that he'll live. Okay. And so you're going to do that for all of these. I want to show you for this. So again, remember it's a 5-year policy. Okay. Oh, the mortality rate for this one. So remember it's going to be 1 minus all these numbers. So you're going to subtract all of those to get this. Okay. And for mortality rate, it says for a certain category is 0.006657. That means, so for the percent, again, everybody, multiply by 100. You use all the numbers, so it's going to be 0.6657%. Okay, so let's look at this one. It says probability that a 45-year-old woman will die before her 46th birthday is about 0.29%. Insurance company insures 40,000 45-year-old women. How many are expected to die before their next birthday? So we're going to multiply the percent. Okay. So the percent we do have to change, okay, to a decimal. So it's going to be, remember we go to the left, the decimal. So 40,000 times 0.0029. So 116. So approximately 116 are expected to die before their 45th birthday. Before their 46th birthday. Okay, so with these ones, I just want you to encourage you to read these really carefully. Okay, so I want you to notice it says, so Nadia brought a 40, so this one, okay, we'll go to Gloria. Gloria, so she bought a 20-year life insurance policy, price value of $250,000, monthly premium is $49. She dies after 15 years. It's a 20-year policy. Everybody have to be really good term life. So her beneficiaries, so her loved ones are going to receive, they'll receive that full amount, so the $250,000. Okay. Nadia bought a 20-year policy for $100,000. She pays $36 for monthly premium. She dies after 21 years. 21, since it's over the 20 years, and it doesn't say here that she renewed that policy, then her beneficiaries will receive $0. Okay, well, let's look at one of these examples. Okay, so Michael bought a 15-year term life insurance policy with a face value of $150,000. His monthly premium is $35. He dies after 5 months. Okay, so we're going to take 5 times the 35 to get 175. His beneficiaries, it's within the 15 years, so they're going to receive the full amount, so the 150,000. So they're going to have a loss, so it's going to be 150,000 minus 175. So they're going to lose $149,825. Okay. Okay, everybody got this. Just read really carefully.